Creating a table in Access to store employee information. An owner of a big grocery store wants to store, analyze, and compile all information relating to his employees in a database. Therefore, he structured a table in design view format to ease his work. Let's recreate the output. Here is a blank database. Let's create a table in design view. On the ribbon, locate Create tab and click on it. Next, go to Tables group. Select option Table Design. Look, a new table is displayed and a new tab design appears in the ribbon. Now add fields to the table. Under Field Name column, enter Employee ID. For its corresponding data type cell, select Number from the drop-down list. Again, under ID field, enter a new field. Type Employee Name and select its data type as short text. In this manner, insert other fields and their data types required to be entered in the table like date of birth, salary, address, and contact. Now select the first field. Observe carefully. The field's properties pane at the bottom half of the window. It is used to set controls on field values. Suppose we want Employee ID field to always have a value during a data entry. For that, click Required Row and set Yes option from drop-down list. Likewise, we can set relevant properties values like field size, format, default value, etc. for all the fields if needed. Next step is to set a primary key to one of the unique field in the table. In our table, it will be Employee ID. Select field, click on the primary key button on Design tab in the ribbon. Look, a key icon appears beside the field name. Lastly, to save the file, click Save button on Quick Access toolbar. Enter the table name in the dialog box. The table Employee is now added to the navigation pane. Now go to Datasheet view of the table from View option and fill in the data in the respective cells. Wasn't that simple? Try creating different databases.